How to fix invite collaborator option not showing or missing on Instagram on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I'll show you how you can fix if you're not being able to find the invite collaborator option on your iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find out the invite collaborator option not showing up on your iPhone, there are a couple of things and reasons why this happens. So for example, let's say you're going to open up Instagram. You go about simply creating a normal post as you would. So let me choose a specific photo, and then I'll tap on next, and when I tap on tag people, you should be able to find the invite collaborator option. But if you're not being able to find it, there are a couple of reasons, and when you tap on invite collaborator, you will be able to simply invite someone to this post, right? So if you're not being able to actually find this option, there are a couple of things you can check within your account, by the way. First of all, very basic stuff. Come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon, go to settings and privacy, and then once you go to settings and privacy, you simply want to go to the option called account privacy. Make sure that your account is actually not private, so you want to turn off the toggle next to private account, because private accounts will not have the invite collaborator option. Then you want to simply come back. After that, you want to go to creator tools and controls over here. Once you go to creator tools and controls, here you'll find the option called switch account type. If you have a personal account, try to switch to professional account. If you already have a professional account but you're not being able to find this option, then try to switch to personal account, refresh your Instagram app, try to see if that works, and then again switch to professional account and then see if that works for you. Because sometimes just switching between these type of accounts is how going to solve the problem. Sometimes the issue could also be happening with the Instagram app in itself. So what you want to do is go ahead and then launch the settings application on your iPhone. Then once you launch the settings app on your iPhone, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and then you want to look for the application called Instagram. Tap on offload the application, reinstall the app, see if that solves your problem. If not, last but not all, let's open up the App Store. In the search bar, just type in Instagram and then check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve the problem. If it did help solve the problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.